Good morning. A little while ago I got asked if you can do cuttings from mango trees. Well, mango trees are actually an evergreen tree. They're a hardwood tree during most of the year until April, May. April, May is the best time for cuttings, which is right now. Our lovely neighbours have actually donated us some cuttings. This one I've scored the ends of, just to experiment. All you need is about 6-inch length of the branches, about 1.5 inches of water in a container, half a teaspoon of cutting powder, plant cutting powder. If you can't have this, use an aspirin. Now you leave them in there for 3-4 days, and then every other 3 or 4 days you change the water. So changing the water, and you don't have to put cutting powder or aspirin in after that. It's just this first initial amount. It's basically that easy. It's just to stick in a bit of water, leave them in a warm place, somewhere not direct sun, but they need to be warm, and a greenhouse is ideal. That's about it. It's as simple as that. Once they actually start showing roots, they'll show roots down the bottom, they'll go all lumpy. Some will actually shoot leaves off the top of them. Once they're doing that sort of side of things, a nice coarse sand and potting mix mixed together, soak through, pot them in separate pots, and yeah, it's that easy. Let them get on with it.